where I learned the concepts of the funnel and how where should from where I learned all those strategies of the funnels and all those core concepts of the funnels. So hey everyone, hello. This side Nilesh, and in this video I am going to share about from where I learned the concepts of the funnel and how where should from where I learned all those strategies of the funnels and all those core concepts of the funnels. So let's get started of this video. I learned the concepts of the funnel from before that before know Russell Brunson. I learned all those concepts from so many different courses from like Udemy and from Udemy I purchased different courses from Udemy, right? But after that I know about Russell Brunson, so uh, and I found about him, and then I get to know about .com secret book. It is the book that from where I know all the core concepts about the funnel. So if you are a newbie and if you want to learn the concepts of the funnel, but if you don't want to invest your money right now, so you can start you don't have big money, big amount of money to invest. So you can start with the .com secret books. It will help you to know all the core concepts about the funnels, how you can find out your dream customers, how you can attract your customers, who is your dream 100, what is the hook story offer in or email sequences. There is in this book there is so many things that will help you to know all about each and everything. I started I get to know all those things from this book.com secret book. So I learned all those core concept about the funnels. It is the one uh, book that I read completely in my whole life. I'm not interested to read the book. I'm not interested to reading books, but it is one book that will helps me to know all the core concept, to know all the details about the marketing strategies, how funnels are work, where you can find out your dream customers, where they are congregating, where they are hang out, who is your dream customer. There is so many things that you get to know in this book. So if you are a newbie and want to start, so you can start with the .com secret book. And the second thing that I learned uh, a funnel from the one funnel away challenge. Yes, it is the program. It is the program that is run by Russell Brunson. Uh, .com secret book is written by Russell Brunson, and one funnel away challenge is done by Russell Brunson. It is the OFA is a video format, and .com secret is in the written format. So one funnel away challenge will help me to grow in my life. He helps me so in so many different things because this one challenge is changed me so much. I am not do this live if I am not join this one funnel away challenge. I am not share this content with all of you if I am not a part of the one funnel away challenge. So this is the one challenge who helped me so much, who helped me so much to be go live, to be share my content, to be confident enough. So this one challenge helped me to not only in the funnel part, it will help me to motivate me and self-confident me to from my inside part. So this one challenge will help me so much related to funnels, traffic, hook story of a marketing. The thing that you read in the .com secret is present by Russell Brunson in the video format. So .com secret is the do it yourself, and and the one funnel away challenge is the done with you. So done for you, that is the thing. And if you want the .com secret book in the uh, physical format, so I put the link, so where from you can buy, or if you want this book uh, in a digital copy, if you want this book of the digital copy of this book, then it is available in my free group. It is available in my free group. So I share with you my group. Just a second, I'm share my screen with all of you, so you can see the group of mine. So here is the my group, name of the group is group. Here is the link of the my group, URL of the group, and here you find this .com secret book in the physical digital copy. It's a digital copy, you are here you find. So and if you want this book, then I also put a link in the comment box, so you can go through it and take your copy of this book. Because maybe you are currently recently started your journey and you don't have so much of money to invest, so you can go with this book. It is nothing so much, it doesn't cost you so much. It doesn't cost you so much, so you don't need to be worried for that part, about money part. And then if you get know all those things about the funnels, then you can also go for one funnel away challenge. It will help you, it will help me, and it will help you as well. So and if you want to join with me, I will give you so much of uh, bonuses, and also my one-on-one support, my one-on-one support with you for the whole life. So this is the my irresistible offer, by giving you my accountability and my support. So this is the one thing. And put I am putting my group link and the .com secret book link as well. So if you want to join one funnel away challenge, then you can reach out to me as well. So that is it for this video, and stay tuned with me. Stay tuned with me. We can connect again tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me live.